What's up, traders, and welcome back to the channel and a brand new update where in today's video we're going to be covering a trading strategy that allows you to trade the binary markets on weekends. This is something we haven't talked about for a while, but I know it's something that a lot of people enjoy because this gives you an option to trade the markets during unorthodox times, especially if you have busy schedules throughout the week. This strategy we're going to be going over today is simplified and easy to use, so it's easy enough for beginners to adopt and apply to their trading due to the simplified rules that you need to follow for identifying these signals. And in today's video, we're going to share everything you need to know. As always, we're going to share with you our live training footage from our session, review the results as a result of that session, and more importantly, provide you with the rules that you need to follow so you can apply this strategy to your trading. Now, as a side note and an announcement for everyone to prepare for, we're going to be using this strategy every day for the following week. The goal here is to see how much we can capitalize from the markets using this one strategy, and at the end of the week, we're going to provide you with an updated video showing you all of the trades, all of the live footage, all of the results, so that way you can see for yourself how effective this strategy can be. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That way you get notified when we upload that video. And of course, if you enjoyed today's content, hit the like button, like our video, as we appreciate and love your support. And of course, don't forget to check out our trading resources down below in the video description, including our free and updated binary training, where we go over valuable tips to put you on the proper path towards your trading success, information of our trading group, where I personally teach beginners and struggling traders so you can stop losing money, stop blowing accounts, and master any strategy to your advantage within the binary and forex markets. All of that and much more can be found down below. But without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. So as we go through this video, if you have any questions or need help, feel free to comment down below. And you can also reach me more directly either via email or Telegram. You can access all my contact information down below in the video description. Now, because we're talking about weekend trading, obviously this is going to pertain to OTC trading. And I know that many people have their own thoughts and theories and feelings about OTC trading. Obviously, I've expressed this in many videos where I prefer to trade live markets over OTC. It's just my preferred method of trading over these many years. A couple of months ago, we posted a video discussing the differences, the similarities, the benefits, the pros, the cons, the advantages and disadvantages between trading live markets and OTC. This is a very helpful video that will clarify how these markets work, so that way you can better decide for yourself what type of market is best for you. So whether you're someone who prefers to trade live markets or OTC, or maybe you like to trade both, that's a video you don't want to miss, and I'll leave the link down below in the video description. Now, specifically for OTC, which is what we're focusing on today, one of the two main advantages of trading OTC is not only the higher payouts, but it gives you more flexibility to trade whenever you want, including weekends. So this is ideal for those who want to get into trading but have busy schedules throughout the week and may only have time to trade on weekends. This is where leveraging OTC to your advantage can come into play. And you're going to see how simple and effective this strategy can be, allowing traders to capitalize profits during unorthodox trading hours. So we're going to first roll the live trading footage from our session that occurred on Sunday afternoon. That way you can see how this strategy unfolds in a live market environment, and then we'll go over the results and the rules so that way you can apply it to your trading. So let's take a look. All right, so as you saw from the footage, a great session. We did a total of 9 trades, resulting with only 1 loss for AUD Canadian dollar. And if we come down to the trading statistics, with the 1 loss, we had an 88% win rate, delivering a total profit of over $6,600. And in case you're wondering, from the time of our first trade entry to the closing of our last position, this session lasted about an hour and 20 minutes. So if you think about it, making a little over $6,000 in an hour and 20 minutes trading the markets on a Sunday afternoon, not bad. Now, based off of the live trading footage, you can see that we're using a set of moving averages to apply a moving average crossover strategy. The concept is extremely simple because we are using the crossovers of these moving averages to identify our buys and sell signals. To apply these moving averages, come to the indicators tab, select moving average, and you're going to select it 3 times to apply 3 moving averages to your chart. The first moving average is going to be set to a period of 2. This is going to be our trigger moving average. So because we're using a white background, I made this moving average black. Second moving average is set to a period of 5, and we made this one red. And our third and final moving average is set to a period of 200, and this is going to be our blue moving average. Now, to clarify, you could use this strategy on multiple time frames. However, I would not recommend using this on higher time frames such as a 30-minute or 1-hour time frame. I mean, typically most people don't trade such higher time frames in binary options, but just wanted to emphasize that because this strategy is best used for short-term moves in the markets. So if you wanted to use a 1-minute chart, you're going to target 2 to 3-minute expirations. If you're going to use a 5-minute chart, your expiration times are going to be set between 10 and 15 minutes, depending on the volatility of the market at the time that you're trading. I prefer to use the 1-minute or the 60-second chart. We're going to target 1-minute expirations. Now, as a side note, don't forget to apply proper risk management when it comes to your trade values. Do not over leverage your account. A cool feature Pocket Options provides is if you click on the dollar sign, you can choose to either select a specific dollar value or a percentage. So especially if you're new to trading, you should only be risking 1 to 3% of your entire trading account for each individual trade, which you can adjust accordingly using this tab. Now, one of the smart things that you can do when applying any strategy is to place trades according to the trend, also referred to as following the trend. So if you're in a bearish market, look for sell trades. If you're in a bullish market, look for buy trades. Now, based off of where current price is, below our 200 moving average, indicating bearish momentum. So in these areas, we'd be looking for sell trades. Now, to identify our sell signals, we want our 2 moving average to cross below our 5 moving average, as you can see in these multiple areas. Once you identify the cross, because I'm on a 30-second time frame, we're going to enter for a 1-minute trade. 1, 2, this would have been a profitable entry. Now, if we're looking for buy trades, we want price to be above our 200 moving average to indicate bullish momentum. So because we're following the trend, we're only looking for buy trade signals. A buy signal occurs when our 2 black moving average crosses above the 5. Once you identify the signal, confirm the trade. 1, 2, this would have been a profitable entry. As you can see from this region, we had multiple buy trade entries, which would have resulted in profitable entries up until we had the consolidation and the change of trend. So like I said before, the rules of the strategy are extremely simple because we're just using a moving average crossover concept to identify our buys and sell signals. And it's by following those very simple rules that allow us to capitalize 8 out of 9 winning trades and a $6,000 profit. If this is something you want to apply to your trading, practice on a demo account. Again, we have links to free demo accounts down below. And don't just test out the strategy, but also test out different expiration times and different time frames. Some people prefer to trade off of smaller time frames compared to higher time frames and vice versa. Find what best fits your style and your trading preference. Now, I want to clarify that with this strategy, the lower the time frame you use, the more signals you're going to get, but it's going to be more important for you to pay attention to what the markets are showing you to avoid any false signals. Obviously, with any strategy or indicators you're using, remember to apply other levels of confluences you see in the markets to confirm those buys and sell signals. We have a great buy signal as price reacted off of our 200 moving average, serving as a level of support with the bullish engulfing candle, creating that buy signal. We have other buy signals here reacting off of a demand zone that was a previous supply zone. Here we're starting to see a change of structure where our 200 moving average is now serving as a form of resistance, which complemented this previous support zone here and resistance zone here, validating these sell signals. Large impulse move to the upside in this bearish region, creating a supply area that complemented this previous demand zone, confirming the sell signal. This is one of the many things that I teach our students within our mentorship, empowering you with the knowledge to navigate these markets from a technical and a fundamental aspect so you can use any strategy to your advantage. If you want to learn more about our training course, you can click the link down below in the video description or visit our website anytime. And don't forget to check out our free binary training, which is also available down below. All right, traders, that concludes our video for today. Again, if you have any questions, reach out anytime. I want to thank each and every single one of you for taking the time to watch this video. Hope you enjoyed it, gained some value. And of course, if you want to check out some of our other recent uploads, you can check out any of these videos. And I look forward to seeing you on the next time. Take care.